and welcome to the Code Clarity podcast. I'm Jean.
And I'm Rena. And today we're going to be discussing a couple of topics that we're going to be talking about at conference. One of them is in relation to AI. So one of our sessions is going to be run by a fantastic expert, James Turnbull, who's going to be talking about the practical applications of GenAI in pharma. But we thought we'd actually take some time to discuss some of the questions, in fact, our most popular question that we get asked about AI. So Jean, over to you.
Okay, so it's not really a question, I would say. The kind of the comment that I hear most often when we start to talk about AI and pharma and compliance and review, etc., is, but we can never, AI won't be 100% correct. We'll still need a human to correct those mistakes. So we can't rely on AI. And that is, I think, a real concern for people with the uptake and with them understanding where AI could be used.
It's interesting that the questions or the comment hasn't just come from compliance and medical people, it's also come from AI companies who are pitching to pharma and are worried that that will be a big question. And actually, if you look at the analysis of cases, so that's one of the sessions that Jean and I will also be running at conference, is we'll be looking at the patterns and the trends of rulings over the past year. One of the biggest areas is around centers very clearly on human error, mistakes, oversight, all that kind of stuff. And you're thinking, these are all down to human beings. Why do we believe or think that AI should be foolproof when we can't even guarantee our current system is foolproof?
Yeah, I mean, it's a really good point. It's if there's less mistakes with AI, then is that not a better thing? I mean, it may be that we are turkeys voting for Christmas, because if there's less mistakes, it'll reduce the amount of work that we need to do. If there's none of this, like, oh, the black triangle was actually purple, we didn't realize that was the first occurrence of the brand, all of those kind of simple things that people should be straightforward, but we're all human, we all make mistakes. If we can cut out all of those, and we're not saying AI is going to replace everyone, then I don't understand why people are so reluctant that, yes, AI may well always make mistakes, but I would bet you that humans make more.
On that bombshell, and watch this space, because Jean and I will be discussing the impact of AI on MLR and copy approval in a future episode. But for now, thanks so much, Jean.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.